And welcome back, Tech Neighbors, to another hands-on video. Today I'll be talking about the new Nova 3E. This is also known as the Huawei P20 Lite, depending on which market you're talking about. This phone definitely looks a lot similar to the P20. Why would you ask? Well, because look at the design. The design other than the fingerprint scanner behind. The design is actually really similar. The design is actually really similar with the P20 and P20 Pro. The Nova 3E comes in 4 different colors: blue, black, rose gold, and gold. For this hands-on review, we have the blue edition, which still has the sticker at the back. Wait, hold on. Let me bring it closer to the camera. Okay, you ready for this? You ready for this? Oh! Look at that! It's so shiny! I could actually see my own face on this. The back of the phone can be quite a fingerprint magnet. Look at the phone. Bam! Fingerprint. Bam! Fingerprint. Bam! There. In terms of specs, I'll definitely show a small text on the side or here. I would say that the phone is in the mid-range category. You definitely won't see the kind of performance that you'd see in the P20 and the P20 Pro. But still, for a mid-range phone that costs almost 3/4 of the price of a P20 or P20 Pro, it's definitely a bargain. Another thing I would like to point out is you only get a dual camera behind, which is a 16 megapixel and a 2 megapixel camera. If you see closely on the screen, you could see a notch over here. This houses the receiver, the earpiece, and the light sensor in front. The Nova 3E doesn't feature an AI for your camera. With the 16 megapixel camera and the 2 megapixel camera, it does the job pretty well. Wait, let me find a subject to take a picture. Let me turn on the bokeh effect. Wow, it actually takes pictures pretty well. Not only that, the front-facing camera is also pretty good. The Nova 3E also has a mode called the AR lens, which allows you to replace backgrounds in your picture or even add masks onto your face. Cute ones, actually.
In conclusion, it's nice to see all these features inside the mid-range phone. Not only that, the phone also comes together with a USB Type-C port at the bottom. And also, since the phone is such a fingerprint magnet, you might want to consider getting a case. Unlike its older brothers, the Nova 3E is not water resistant, so please do not toss it inside the bathtub. This is Keegan from TechNave.com, and I'll see you in the next video.